What's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick unboxing video here. What I got is a 30-foot roll of Avery Gloss Black that I ordered from Cheetah Wraps. So big props on Cheetah Wraps and how fast they sent that to me. I ordered it on, I think, on Monday night. My door Thursday. So that means the order got placed really unprocessed on Tuesday, shipped out the same day. Tuesday, Wednesday, and then arrived at my house on Thursday. So really fast, quick delivery. So let's go ahead and unbox this, take a look. Take my knife here, cut that open. Okay, flip it over, and we'll cut that right there. Right. Let's see what we can see here. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me go on the other side to see if I can tilt it out. Alright, so it looks like it's on a cardboard stand. So now that that's out, boom. Right. A little dusty on it. That's about it. Let me turn some more lights on here. Oops. There we go. Get some more light. So it's just a little bit dusty, but I don't know if you can see the dust there from the cardboard box, but nice gloss black. So I ordered this so I could start doing some hoods and roofs. Get the business going. Alright, so this again is Avery Gloss Black SW900 series. Ordered it from Cheetah Wraps. Pretty good price. 30-foot roll here by 5 foot wide. And again, it took 2 days to get here, so props to Cheetah Wraps for speed of delivery and a good price. Hope you guys like it. Thanks.